Welcome to this MWIR-B lens replacement tutorial. To disassemble, firstly, remove the thermocouple. Take two 29mm spanners and place the first one on the objective lens and the second one on the lens cover. Twist to untighten. Unscrew, then remove the lens ready for the replacement. To reassemble, take the new lens and screw it back into place. Again, use two 29mm spanners and by placing on the objective lens and the cover, twist to tighten the new lens. Finally, insert the thermocouple back in place. You have now replaced the MWIR-B protection window.